Imagine buying the iPhone 14 Pro Max for 500,000 Naira. Hilarious, right? At that price, it feels like you're cheating the seller and getting it for free. Anyways, you are about to get that feeling right now because you'd be getting something worth more than an iPhone for a price you can afford. I'm talking about the 1 million Naira challenge. In this challenge, you'd be learning Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, email marketing, content creation, web design, how to generate 2,000 leads in 30 days, how to make your first 50 sales as an affiliate, and how to create digital courses from scratch. You will also gain access to crypto signals, sales secrets that have done over 361 million Naira plus in profit, and access to a 247 support community. Get all this at a 50% discount right now. This means you'll be saving 30k for your business and still gain access to what will generate more cash. So it's a win-win for you. Stop overthinking this. Just grab the 1 million Naira challenge now. You have till 30th November.